I let it happen. I put Heather and Windseer in that position. I risked the Dragonite being taken. I fell for Vigo's plan. It's a mess. Hiccup, those flyers are all over the place, and they're trained. But you wouldn't have known that.
Would you guys leave him alone?
No, Dastard, I deserve it. I shouldn't have left. They practically begged us to stay. That's pushing it a bit. You know what I mean.
But we're back now. That's all that matters.
I agree, Dad. I'm disappointed in Hiccup, but there's really no more I messed up. I really messed up. I'm not sure how to fix it.
Just never heard you say that before.
You always know how to fix it.
Yeah, well, guess what? I'm not perfect.
No, what?
Astrid, it's not the Singetails' faults, right? They're being
made to do it. I know. Tough choices have to be made.
Wow, you sound so much like
A warrior?
my father.
It's kind of the same thing.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Well, when we get back, we need to...
When you get back.
What?
I hear everything you and my dad are saying, and yes, it makes perfect sense. You have the warrior spirit for this, Astrid. You have the stomach for it. I just don't. And I can't be in charge of something that I don't believe in.
Hiccup, where are you going?
To try and find another way.
Enough! All of you! Enough! This is all pointless. It doesn't matter if we stayed or left. It's not a game, Tough Nut. It's not a dream. It's not a way of life. It's reality. It actually happened. We trained the dragons. We left Berk. And my father is on his deathbed because of it. Because of me. None of this would have happened. And I mean, none of it. If I had never shot down two of them. You know it. I know it. Berk knows it. Everyone knows it. Even he knows it.